Okay, now don't hate me please, because I said the other day that I'm taking a serious break from YouTube. Yeah, I was actually going to take a break, and I did take a break, but that was from vlogging.
বুড়িরা বড় হয়ে গেছে অনেক বুঝতে পারতেছি
Yasin, yeah, you guys pretty much know him already. Hi man, কি অবস্থা?
should I?
Man,
Yeah, he's my brother, so
yeah. Okay, so speaking of podcast, actually এটা মানুষ ইনডোরে বেশি করে, যেমন রিসেন্টলি আমাদের যে বাংলাদেশের জন কবির,
Yep.
yeah, he started actually doing some podcast, and first
With Ayman Sadiq bhai.
yeah, Ayman Sadiq's সাথে. So we don't have those gears and the environment to shoot podcasts like them. Usually মানে podcast যেভাবে shoot করে, so
The way I
instead-
said Ayman Sadiq bhai, people would think that this guy knows Ayman bhai.
yeah, so we
But I don't
decided
know
to
him.
shoot it in the middle of পৌর পার্ক, মানে যশোরে পৌর পার্ক আছে একটা, if you guys didn't know, which I'm not going to show you
Beautiful place.
because I'm not in the mood of shooting cinematographic contents today, because that's a part of blogging which I will still ignore because I'm not blogging anymore. So
And no one understands here what blogging is.
so Yasin is a man who's been with me
Yeah,
from the last, we know each other from the last like 8 years. বেশি বললাম? আচ্ছা বেশি বললাম
what?
বলছি।
8 years?
Yeah,
In what?
মানে we know each other.
Oh yeah, almost 8 years.
Yeah, so he actually started, কি বলো এবার তোমারটা প্রমোট করো তুমি।
Oh, I started my own coaching in here in Joshua. So anyone from of you who is watching this show actually, so you can join the coaching, and you know there are English courses, English spoken courses, 9, 10, 11, 12 academic courses, and the location is Mentor International School and in Aripur, at Aripur actually. Besides Aripur,
Yeah, for only $500. Can you
But
believe it?
the 3-month package.
Yeah, 3 months package.
So you will complete your syllabuses, and you can become the level from level 1 to level 2 within 3 months within this package.
Yeah, you learn how to write properly, how to speak properly, how to
I will see you.
get that crazy accent he has,
Yep.
which is pretty cool deal, man. I mean, 1,500 taka for like 3 months, and you're going to be a beast in English. I would never miss that chance. Okay.
I'm not gonna say you're gonna be a beast, but you're gonna be a pro.
Okay, ও কিন্তু আমাকে কোনো টাকা দেয় না এটা বলার জন্য, ঠিক আছে?
But if you
আগে কি-
are in
আগে
front of me, I would
questionটা কে
be
করবে আগে?
throwing you in the pond.
ফার্স্ট কোশ্চেনটা কে করবে?
Let's toss.
5 টাকার কয়েন, বঙ্গবন্ধু, আর একটা হচ্ছে আনারস কি বাংলাদেশ ব্যাংক।
Bangabandhu.
See what?
Because I have explanation why, but I'm not gonna do that. Yeah. Bangabandhu.
মানে যে যারটা পড়বে সে আগে কোশ্চেন করবে, রাইট?
He has the right to choose.
Okay, so man, it's Bangladesh Bank. See?
Bangladesh Bank is like interest
I
and
just
all
got
those
the right
things.
to choose.
So I don't gonna go with that.
So
Bangabandhu still did some good things.
you're gonna start with the questions. So he's gonna ask me a question, I'm gonna answer it, then I'm gonna ask him a question, and he's going to answer it.
Yep,
And-
absolutely.
Yeah, and we're just here to spread positivity, not just
All
talk
around
about
us.
some random shits other content creators are doing or spoiling or whatsoever, because I believe every single word I'm saying here is going to give you guys a message.
You see, if this is positivity just dropped out, bro.
Yeah,
So if this is positivity, and I am a person who is negative, so wearing this, like I am just putting this positivity into myself.
yeah, it's like an
So this is
armor.
how we will do things.
If you stay positive, you're gonna do great things in your life. I'm just going to ask you, whenever you feel like giving up on something, something you love very much, and something you believed in which nobody ever believed in, and
What?
I mean except you.
Okay, don't just
but
say
at-
poetry. Say
Yeah.
something
And
straightforward.
at the end of the day, you still have to move forward, thinking what drove you to not give up on yourself.
This is actually a big question to answer.
Yeah, every big question has a big answer, and people wants to know.
This actually, that thing happened. I'm just saying in short.
Sure.
I was a total bad guy. I used to beat up people. I used to, threaten people. I used to make fun of people. And I lived the life of like a devil. I was a devil before.
Yeah, I know.
I used to, make him feel sad. But I love him now. The thing that changed me is that common sense. You can be the way you are. You have the resources to do good things, spreading positivity. So when you don't do this, not only you're embracing your creator, you're embracing the people around you.
Yeah, that's
And that's the simple
really,
question.
I appreciate this so much, man. I mean, you just said what we needed to hear.
Yeah, man, thanks for asking the question.
My back hurts. You're still a demon, man. Oh, no, it's okay. So next question you're going to ask me, which is on my job. I have been.
Okay,
Yeah, okay.
So the thing is, when you got into the job, Chalda.com, first up you tell me, in which year you got into that job, and secondly, how was the journey, and what made you to not quit that Chalda.com? I offered you so many things, like during Dhaka I offered you that we will open an agency in Dhaka, and etc, etc. And now where you are right now, it's a big accomplishment. So the feeling of that time and the feeling comparing to this time, the present time, and the feeling you are hoping to have in the future.
Well, that's a great question.
Yeah.
Obviously, most importantly, for those who are struggling with their job or struggling with getting a job. So what happened in my case when I first started here at Chalda.com, so I was like a customer service agent, and I even didn't have idea what this is all about. So after 6 months I was promoted into the marketing team, and I was always having these feelings, man, I cannot do this anymore because the pay was not good. I was still working like hell, because I cook my own food. You guys know I do everything by myself, so that was pretty hard. But yeah, thanks for doing that. That works actually.
Yeah, that works.
You
You need someone who can tap you in the back.
Yep.
That's the thing.
So my director always says everything is a learning. Every single time we do a mistake, every single time we do a good thing, every single time something bad happens, I was having this mental breakthrough, and everything was a learning for me. Yeah, for sure. And finally, after 1.5 years later, I was promoted directly into the growth department, which is really a blessing for me, and I'm looking forward to spend another 5 or 10 or 15 or 20 years here if the Almighty grants my life.
We all pray for that.
That lifespan, if that lifespan is granted for me. So speaking of why I didn't give up, is this company offers you to learn. Now shopkhane jeta hoy je you just join there, you just do what you can do and you get paid. But here they let you learn lots of things. Department অনেকগুলো আছে, so যেটা হচ্ছে যে they give you resources, they give you chances, they give you mentors, they give you the time you need to learn everything you need to know to do better.
Yep.
And then they give you promotion, they give you opportunities, they give you respect, and at the end of the day, they love you. That is why we call it Chaldal family. Because when my father got sick,
I'm not a proud.
yeah, yeah, you don't have to be. But I know what's happening.
One of my teacher,
See,
he is the friend of director of Chaldal.com, and I
Okay.
love him.
Yeah.
But not the director of Chaldal.com. I haven't seen him yet.
see why I call it a Chaldal family, because my father is
Because
in
they all
severe,
eat chal and dal.
my father was in a severe condition like 2 weeks ago, and I had to undergo with him. There was literally nobody to help me with money, with mental support, or whatever you call it. And the Almighty was obviously here, there. So for that
Seven
reason,
heaven.
my father had another chance to live. So see, I never gave up. I always believed. I always wanted to learn. I was always hungry. That's why Arnold Schwarzenegger always said, "Stay hungry. If you are not hungry, you will never know what's waiting for you on the other side." You have to work hard. You have to complain less. If possible, shouldn't complain at all. Believe in yourself and make some noise. That's how
Make
you.
some noise in the part.
Yeah,
What,
you don't need mama, khala, chacha, chati to get a
No
job,
one,
man.
literally.
Yeah, you're enough.
He said that the Almighty is here.
Yeah.
You need one person, and he's not a person actually. Your creator.
Your creator. Yeah.
I'm so sorry,
Always appreciate.
Astaghfirullah, for saying that. That's a mistake.
Yeah, I know. So, okay, next question should go for.
This is the last question. Okay, I'm not gonna question you back. Okay?
Sure. Five
Because we have to hang out. We just came
5
to,
questions for the day. So,
Oh, we have to.
give me a word.
Hey, you gonna ask me? Oh, Acha, I have to give you a word. Give me a word on human.
Human.
Ultimately, every person is a part of the society, right? And there are like 700 billion people in this world right now, living at this moment, staying from one day to like 70 years old. And we are in Poro Park right now. It is a park, and here there are like 300 people around us.
Yeah, probably more or less. Whatever. Let's call it 300.
Okay. So ultimately, the answer of the question is, when a person wakes up in the morning, he has to think about a lot of things. He has to think about his family, how he gonna provide the food from the morning breakfast, how he gonna pay the big gas bill, how he's gonna pay the electricity bill.
Man, you're
etc.,
depressing
etc.
everyone.
No, I'm gonna give him the best
Okay.
answer they're gonna hear
Yeah, sure.
his whole life.
I was literally thinking, মানে এক সেকেন্ডে চলে মাথায় আসছে, এই ম্যান আই এম গেটিং ডিপ্রেসড সিরিয়াসলি আমার মাথায় আসছে আল্লাহ আমার তো বাসা বাড়া ওকে কন্টিনিউ
So ultimately, the answer is, when a person wakes up, the ultimate thing which comes to my mind, if it doesn't come to my mind yesterday, it will come from tomorrow. Hopefully, inshallah. The thing is, what good I'm gonna live in this world today? When I wake up in the morning, I get up in the morning, I'm not guaranteed the evening. So till the morning to evening, what good I'm gonna live in this world? If you can benefit a child, do that. You're gonna make a good video, good content, and post it on YouTube. If one person sees it and benefits from it, then do it. That's what a human being's mentality should be when he wakes up in the morning. That's it.
Okay, and speaking of when you're going to the bed, and now a lot of people actually get depressed. I couldn't do this or I couldn't do that today. I wanted to do this and blah blah blah, and they get actually mentally depressed. যে আমি এগুলো করতে পারি নাই, I'm a loser, blah blah blah. So so
For that thing, actually, I'm not a motivational speaker or a psychologist on how people's brain work, but ultimately the truth is that we all lose people. We all lose something. Like if you love the most valuable thing in your life, maybe your camera, your phone, you're gonna lose it one day. Maybe you love your father, you're gonna lose your father. Maybe you love your wife, you'll lose your wife. Maybe you love your mother, you lose your mother. Maybe you'll love your girlfriend, you will lose your girlfriend. That doesn't matter. When you go to sleep at night, all the things you have to take care of is the future. Don't be hopeless. If you become hopeless, then you'll be like, human beings are created for marching forward. If you can march forward and you stay in your place, you're not staying in your place, you're actually marching backwards. That's the ultimate truth. So when you become hopeless,
You're actually not marching backward, your mind is marching your
Yeah.
soul backward. So
everything.
we'll actually talk about this mind soul some other day.
Because you know why people say that back-minded, old, backdated,
Backdated,
etc., etc.
whatsoever.
Because they are not marching forward.
Yeah.
You can still live in the modern time, but and you can still be the way
In
you are.
1940
Yeah, like I do,
1940.
man. I used to call myself the 80s, and people
Yeah.
say the silliest thing. Maybe I should be born 100 years ago. The situations would be much easier. How do you know? And you should be stop watching some old TV shows. You know?
Maybe I'll drop some links in the description.
Yeah, bro.
I'm good at that. But কেমনে ডাউনলোড করবেন, that's your concern. I don't care, man. আমি টরেন্টের লং লিঙ্ক দিয়ে পরে কি আমার চ্যানেল মানে ইয়া করবে না, স্ট্রাইক করে নামাই দেবে। So yeah, that was actually a good point.
Yeah, টাটা আর কত করবো না।
Yeah, হ্যাঁ প্রচুর হয়েছে। So let's call it podcast.
Come on, make some- আমার গলা ভেঙে গেছে।
Let's call it podcast Saturday.
Yeah, that's true.
So we're actually leaving from this podcast Saturday for we are gonna call it the day. আমার আজকে অফ ছিল and I really had some quality time with Yasin and the discussion was really good. We are not professionals.
Yeah.
আমরা pro না, but we tried our best.
The way he talks, I don't have words when he talks. That's why I'm keeping silent myself.
Yeah. যেটা হয়েছে যে we are not that comfortable in front of the camera, but we're trying. So if you guys have any suggestions or recommendations or anything like that, just comment below or
And I will reply you and like give you a
okay. Stay safe, stay happy, stay healthy, and
come to my
see you-
coaching.
Yeah, and see you the next someday.